leaving now.
Why?
I want to go and meet my people now.
But they're not complete, Seth.
They're almost complete now.
When they are complete, you go now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're complete. It's only Imisi that is left.
What will you miss it? Before she go there and spot somebody.
I can't tell you, but
School.
Imisi, you know Imisi has tricks up her sleeves. To shock you, Imisi will know how to do the most insane thing.
Mimi. Are you okay?
But yeah, tell me, what about me? What do I have?
Oh,
We're talking about all the girls now. Tell me my own.
oh, you. Aside from beauty, you're sweet. I think you should be the definition of sweet. Like you are free-spirited. You're sweet and free-spirited and sweet. That's it.
I like that.
That's it. Like sweet in all aspects. I feel like you're just so tough on yourself, but if you eventually fall in love, you are going to be the crazy type to always want to be in it, like want to be with that person and everything. I feel like you're a lover girl, it's just that you are... One thing that you did that busted my head was that thing you did of spraying your perfume in my locker. I was trying to figure out, I was like, nobody has done that to me.
Yeah, so you couldn't
So
tell.
I was like, because anytime I go there, I will look if you pass, because I know how you smell. And nobody told me that
So
you
maybe
did.
you entered there, you could smell
Yes.
Mary.
I was looking for, maybe you returned one of my clothes,
Okay.
but I didn't see any.
Yeah.
And I couldn't ask you because you did vex. So I was like, maybe I'm just overthinking, or that's why I just lock up. So when you tell me, I was like, whoa, okay.